In this video, we'll study how to set up general project properties. You can open project properties by creating a new project by clicking Tool button and the appropriate main menu button. Project Properties window consists of several tabs. In this video, we'll study General tab. Enter name and also the project in the corresponding fields. Choose Start screen of the project. Enter Update interval of the project. It's an interval for updating, redrawing graphical objects of the current screen and executing general scripts. Choose default font for all texts in the project. Enter default dimensions of your design screen in the Screen Dimensions fields. A new screen will be created with these dimensions. If the screen dimensions of your target device differs, check Runtime Differs and enter its screen dimensions. These values are also used for scaling your project on mobile devices if you check Fit to Screen. If you want to protect your project from opening and editing by non-authorized person, check Use Project Protection and enter password. Check Save Text Values if you want to save all text values when you close application and load them when you open your project. Enter number of maximum server requests before determining that the connection with the server has been lost. If you want current user auto logout in the setup minutes after login, you have to check this property. Enter description of the project. Thank you for watching.